Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to be talking about an artist who creates anime-inspired cake icing masterpieces. The artist is known for their detailed and realistic cakes, which often feature popular characters from Japanese manga and anime series. The artist's work has been featured in magazines and newspapers around the world, and they have even won several awards for their cakes. The artist's cakes are not easy to make. They require a lot of time, effort, and skill. The first step is to carve the cake into the shape of the character that the artist is trying to replicate. This can be a challenging task, as they often have to work with very intricate designs. Once the cake is carved, the artist then uses sugar paste to create the details of the character. They mold, sculpt, and carve the sugar paste using a variety of fine tools. The final step is to paint the details of the cake. The artist uses a variety of food colorings to create realistic and vibrant colors. The results of the artist's hard work are truly amazing. Their cakes are incredibly detailed and realistic, and they often look like they've been plucked right out of an anime series. In addition to being beautiful, the artist's cakes are also delicious. They use high-quality ingredients, and their cakes are always moist and flavorful. The artist's cakes have been enjoyed by people of all ages, from children to adults. They have been used as centerpieces for birthday parties, weddings, and other special occasions. The artist is a true master of food art, and their cakes are truly works of art. If you're a fan of anime or Japanese culture, or if you just appreciate beautiful food, then I highly recommend checking out their work. You can find the artist on YouTube, where they share videos of their cake making process. You can also find their cakes on their website, where you can order them for special occasions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.